I'm going to build this holster for this voice recorder that my son got me for Christmas. And as I was recording it, I ended up with, I guess, 2 hours worth of video, which is too long. So I've decided what I'm going to do is to do it in segments. It's not like a woodworking video, and for the most part, I think the majority of it needs to be shown as to the steps you go to do to make this and to make it functional. So I hope you will stay with me as I go through this process. The first step in making this holster is to make me a template, and I'm going to use this sheet of printer paper to make that template. And we get the dimensions of the recorder. It is 1 3/8 wide. Everything got so many buttons. 7/8 inches thick and be 4 inches long. To get started, we lay out the center of our recorder, which is 4 inches long. So we want to go up at least 8 inches. Let's just do it this way. And then measure over 1 inch and 3/8. And draw us another line. Alright, now that's the width of the body of the recorder. Now the thickness is 7/8. So you go over here and do 7/8 here. 7/8 here. Go up 4 inches and do 7/8. Mark the side for the thickness of the recorder. Now, in order to get a good stitch, we need at least 1/4 inch on each side. I normally use one of these when I'm laying out my patterns for whatever it may be that well, frankly they're easier to handle than the Mellaroo, and I don't see as good as I used to, so they show up better. Okay, now the stitches will go in these two areas. Now since we are it's 7/8 thick, we go up here because this will be the bottom. And we go here and we measure over my root right here, 1/4 inch here. This is for the stitches on the what will end up being the back side of the holster. I ain't moved that out in front of the camera, probably have them. Now connect our lines here. And then we cut it out with a pair of scissors. You could use a razor knife, utility knife, or whatever, but I prefer working with paper to use. Scissors. And there's the template. Well, we have our template, and in the next segment we'll show you how to use it to cut out the piece of leather. Thank you for watching.